I don't know about you, but starting has always been the hardest part for me when it comes to studying. But once I get the ball rolling, everything just seems to miraculously flow, including my initial non-existent motivation. Now, if you're in the same boat, let me show you my mini study ritual that helps me get unstuck every single time without fail. Hi everyone, my name is Anamascara and I help students and young professionals like yourself achieve their academic and career goals without sacrificing their mental health. Today, I would like to share with you my ultimate get your ish back in the game secret. Oh, and did I mention that it's only 3 minutes long? Yep. You should really watch this one. I call it the wrap-up because that is exactly what it is. The key to an easier start is a beautiful ending. Let me explain. When you finish your study session, close your textbooks and walk away, you are doing a huge disservice to your future self by leaving a lot of questions unanswered. You see, the average adult makes around 35,000 mini decisions a day. Now, if you think that questions like what chapter do I study next or where did I put that folder with all my old notes are no big deal, in the grand scheme of things, they could be the cherry on top of that 35,000 decision. Any question, no matter how small, takes a toll on your mind. Here's how to save all that thinking for the actual studying part. Get into the habit of wrapping up your study sessions. This just means working for an extra 3 minutes so that you could potentially save like 3 hours you might have otherwise spent procrastinating or searching through your school bag the next day. An easy way to remember what to do is tap. Tidy up your physical and digital space, meaning drag and drop your new notes into the appropriate class folders, cleaning your desk, and putting away your stationery items where they belong. Add check marks or quick notes to your planner/to-do list. For example, tick off the chapters you managed to complete, take a sneak peek of what chapters lay ahead, and based on how much you literally just got done, you would be able to much more accurately estimate how much you can get done next time. And finally, plan your next study session. And by that I mean already know at around what time, where and how this will take place. You can even go a step further and put a bowl with some snacks or sneak a protein bar in your drawer to help you stay focused and nourished the next time you hit the books. Again, I kid you not, these steps takes me literally like 3 to 5 minutes max. It's really worth it when you've been in a rut or can't for the life of you figure out why your motivation is out the window. It's because you have too many decisions to make. Narrow down your choices. 3 to 5 minutes, legit. The wrap-up is just as effective in other areas of your life, by the way. Let me give you an example with working out. I'm happy to say that your girl has been going to the gym 4 times a week for the past 2 months now. And the main reason why I am able to stick to this routine and get over that initial block of starting the process is because of a successful wrap-up. So when I finish a workout, I neatly put my gym clothes on my shower hanger, so literally every time I go to the washroom, they are staring me in the face. I don't have to dig through my drawers to find a sports bra every time I want to hit the gym. I also rinse out my water bottle and put it aside for the next day. And this part I would encourage you to do on paper because it's easier to track, but I keep all my stats in my head when it comes to exercises I did, how many reps, and what I want to attempt to do tomorrow. I'm telling you, 3-minute tap 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 goes a long way. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to me if you like what you see because I post new videos once or sometimes 2 times a week. Don't forget to check out my website anamascara.com. I will be officially starting to post more regular blog posts there. So if you want something to complement these videos, it's all there. If you ever wished that my points would be written down, it's all there. If you want to have some one-on-one time with your Granny Anna, it's also all there. So, bottom line, see you there.